Celery juice. It is everywhere, is not it? From celebrity endorsements to social media trends, it seems like everyone is blending up those green stalks for a daily dose of wellness. We hear countless stories of glowing skin, boosted energy, and incredible detoxes. But what if there is another side to this green phenomenon? What if, alongside the much-touted benefits, some people experience unexpected reactions or even discomfort? Today, we are taking an observational look at some of the less talked about experiences people have shared when incorporating celery juice into their routine. We are not here to alarm anyone or offer medical advice, but simply to explore the full spectrum of experiences, helping you stay informed and curious about what your body might encounter. Let us walk through what to know about celery juice, explained simply and without exaggeration. Number 1. Digestive patterns. Many individuals starting celery juice, particularly in the initial days, describe a significant shift in their digestive patterns. This can manifest as increased gas and distinct stomach gurgles, sometimes accompanied by a general sense of unease or even discomfort in the abdominal area. Some have candidly shared experiences of more frequent, urgent, or even explosive bowel movements, often within a short period after consumption. This is sometimes interpreted as the body undergoing a cleansing or detoxification process, shedding what is perceived as bad stuff, with accounts ranging from bad tummy aches to a feeling like a bomb went off in the toilet. While these changes might settle down for some over time, they can be quite intense and surprising during the initial phase. It highlights how the body reacts to new dietary introductions, especially a concentrated one like celery juice on an empty stomach, which some proponents suggest is meant to coat the stomach lining and eliminate bad stuff, potentially leading to this evacuation process. Number 2. Unexpected skin response. For some, an unexpected skin response can emerge, often in the form of new breakouts or pimples. Individuals who typically do not experience frequent acne might notice these skin changes appearing, sometimes interpreted as the body's way of purging or releasing toxins that have been dormant. This perspective suggests that the celery juice is helping to get all those toxins out from under the skin. While this viewpoint frames the breakouts as a temporary step towards clearer skin, it is an initial reaction that can be surprising and, for some, unwelcome. It underscores the idea that introducing new, potent substances into one's diet can sometimes lead to visible bodily responses, and how these are interpreted can vary greatly among individuals exploring this wellness trend. By the way, please help our channel grow by clicking subscribe. Number 3. Skin sensitivity to sunlight. Celery, belonging to a family that includes parsnips and parsley, contains natural compounds called cereulons. For some people, consuming celery in significant quantities, whether as juice, raw celery, or even cooked forms, can increase their skin's sensitivity to sunlight. This heightened sensitivity, known as photosensitivity, means that exposure to UV radiation from natural sunlight or tanning beds can lead to severe skin reactions. These reactions might range from unusually intense sunburns to blistering, a condition sometimes referred to as celery blisters. Reports have highlighted instances where individuals, including those who handle celery professionally like farmers, have experienced such reactions when working in the sun without skin protection. It is a reminder that even natural plant compounds can have potent effects on our bodies, interacting with environmental factors in ways we might not anticipate. These substances can enter our skin from the inside out and are not always destroyed by cooking. Number 4. Sensitive to specific pollen. Celery is a known allergen for certain individuals, often falling under the category of pollen-related food allergy, where those sensitive to specific pollen might also react to celery. Reactions can span a wide spectrum, from mild symptoms like itching, swelling, or hives, to more severe and potentially life-threatening responses such as anaphylactic shock, as has been documented in rare but serious cases after consuming raw celery. Interestingly, some people only experience an allergic reaction if they consume celery before engaging in physical activity. While cooking or warming celery can mitigate symptoms for about half of those with a celery allergy, it is not a universal solution, and individuals sensitive to raw celery may still react to dried forms. This underscores the importance of awareness for those with existing allergies or sensitivities, as even a seemingly harmless vegetable can trigger significant immune responses in susceptible individuals. Number 5. Overactive thyroid condition. While not a common occurrence, there have been intriguing reports linking the consumption of celery, particularly in concentrated extract forms, to an overactive thyroid condition known as hyperthyroidism. One case described an individual who experienced this condition after regularly consuming dried celery leaves, and another report detailed a woman who saw significant weight loss, 26 kilograms in 78 days, attributed it to celery extract inducing hyperthyroidism. It is crucial to note that this is considered an unhealthy and potentially dangerous way to lose weight, as hyperthyroidism can lead to serious health complications, including a rare but severe condition like thyrotoxic paralysis. These instances suggest that powerful plant compounds can, in some cases, influence endocrine functions, and highlight the importance of understanding individual physiological responses, especially when consuming highly concentrated forms of natural substances. Number 6. General discomforts. For individuals new to juicing or those embarking on what they perceive as a detoxification journey with celery juice, a cluster of general discomforts can sometimes be reported. These can include feelings of pronounced fatigue, a sense of dizziness, persistent headaches, and general nausea. These symptoms are often described as being particularly noticeable during the initial phases of incorporating celery juice, especially if one has not previously engaged in similar dietary shifts or cleansing routines. While proponents might suggest these are temporary healing crises as the body adjusts, they are still uncomfortable experiences that many have shared, indicating a physiological response to the new intake. The onset of these feelings can make the daily routine challenging and highlights the body's adjustment period to a concentrated, raw botanical intake. Number 7. Might influence blood glucose. A key aspect of juicing any fruit or vegetable, including celery, is the removal of its natural fiber. Fiber plays a crucial role in regulating blood glucose levels, helping to slow down the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream and keep them stable. When celery is juiced, this beneficial fiber is largely discarded. The absence of fiber can lead to a more rapid and dramatic spike in blood sugar levels after consuming the juice. While celery itself is not high in sugar, the quick absorption of its natural components, without the moderating effect of fiber, can still influence blood glucose. For individuals sensitive to blood sugar fluctuations, or those managing conditions like diabetes, this rapid spike could be a consideration, potentially contributing to feelings of dizziness or energy dips after the initial rush. It is a subtle but important distinction between eating whole celery and drinking its juice. Number 8. Potential exposure to pesticides. A significant concern for those consuming celery juice, especially in large quantities daily, is the potential exposure to pesticides if non-organic celery is used. Celery has unfortunately earned a spot on the Dirty Dozen list, which identifies conventionally grown fruits and vegetables most likely to contain high levels of pesticide residues. Studies have shown that over 95% of conventional celery samples tested contained pesticide residues, with some samples revealing as many as 13 different types of pesticides. When juicing, particularly without the fiber that might help bind some of these substances, the concentrated liquid could potentially deliver these residues. This observation strongly underscores the frequent recommendation by celery juice advocates to use organic celery, or ideally, to grow your own, to minimize this potential intake and ensure a cleaner experience. Number 9. Notable amount of sodium. While celery is known for its beneficial compounds, it also naturally contains a notable amount of sodium compared to other vegetables. A single cup of chopped celery, for instance, contains around 100 milligrams of sodium, and a typical 16 ounces serving of celery juice might contain approximately 288 milligrams. While this amount is generally considered a small fraction of an individual's daily sodium needs, and some of celery's compounds are believed to help balance blood pressure, it is still a factor worth observing, particularly for those who are on sodium-restricted diets or closely monitoring their intake for health reasons. Some individuals also find the natural saltiness of the juice quite prominent, which can be an unexpected taste profile when first trying it, prompting descriptions such as really salty when the taste buds are surprised. So there you have it, some of the potential experiences people have shared when adding celery juice to their daily routine. It is clear that while many rave about its benefits, being aware of the full spectrum of possible reactions is key to a well-rounded understanding. Your body is unique, and how it responds to any new dietary introduction will be equally personal. We hope this video has given you valuable insights to consider on your own wellness path. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow. We would also love to hear your experiences with celery juice in the comments below. Your insights are incredibly valuable to our community. Do not forget to subscribe for more informative content like this. Until next time, Stay curious, stay informed, and take good care of yourselves.